Class 1, how are you all class 1? Today take out your English textbook and take out page 26 and look at exercise C. So students, what you have to do, we have done with the person, place and animal or thing. Now today we are going to do, what we have to do the matching of column A and column B with their complete, with the correct sentences. So let's see. First of all, for your comfort, whether you wanted to do it in this way or not, it's up to you. So students, I have mark it the way squirrel, one for squirrel. I have given the numbering to the options of column A, and I have also given A, B, C to the column B as numbering for your comfort, and then I will tell you, because matching is confusing, so I will wrote the correct answer of one with in this block, and I also will do matching in front of you so that you can recognize it easily. So squirrel, ride an animal. Look at the options B. Look for let's see. Look for the option squirrel. Squirrel ride an elephant. No. Squirrel drift water. No. Squirrel climb the branches. Yes. Squirrels climb the branches usually. So I will write one with C. So you can easily recognize it. Okay. So match one with C, students. Now look at the second one. Monkey usually swing on the tree, so write 2 with D. So let's look at the third one. Teacher write an elephant. No. Teachers drip water. No. Teachers read a lesson. Yes. Write 3 with E so that you can match easily with option E. Teachers read a lesson. Wet clothes, write an elephant. No. Wet clothes drip water. Yes. You for fourth you can write option. You have to match with option B. I'm only writing this for your easiness. Okay. Okay. For fifth, children. Children ride an elephant. No. Children lick ice cream. Yes, it is most suitable. Write F with fifth so you can match it easily with children lick ice cream. People ride an elephant. So write A with 6 so that you can match it. It's your choice whether you wanted to write it or not, but you have I have only written this for your easiness, so you can match the options with the correct answer easily. I hope you have did the matching with me in your book. And now what you have to do, students, you have to do at home. Look at page 15. Students, look at page 15 of your workbook. We have did this in your textbook, but you at home, what you have to do, you have to do exercise D on page 15 as homework. What you have to do, you have to match the column. Like you have to match the column in the same way. Like children play games. Fish swim in the water. Birds make nests. Cow eat grass. Students go to school. So what you have to do, it's your choice whether you wanted to give numbering and then do it, or whether you just wanted to match it. But you have to do this exercise D, students, on page 15 as your homework at home. I have did this in your book. I have did the textbook matching in front of you, and what you have to do, you have to do this at home at your own. I hope today's lecture is clear to you. All is that for today. Thank you, students.